Alright guys, I know I'm not up to date with the videos. Right now I'm in the Z. Yes, I finally got the 370Z. You might see the reveal video, you might, before this, but right now I'm about to get a muffler delete. I'm about to go to the muffler shop. I know I didn't get that many stock exhaust clips, but I can put some in there and kind of show you. I have some revs from when I got the car, but I didn't do no flybys or anything, kind of get that difference. So I'll add somebody else's stock clips in there just so you can see a difference, but I'll add my stock revs. But right now, about to get this muffler delete. We are prepping for H2O, and that's coming up next week, so we don't have enough time. So about to head to the muffler shop today. Hopefully they'll bless, and if they do, I'll get it. Y'all can kind of hear it now. It's not that loud yet, but since it's a 3.7 liter V6, it's pretty decent. It's not weak. But yeah, I am in the Z for you guys to see. Got a couple stickers and stuff in here right now. Yes, big man in the Z. Boy, mighty well. See you guys at the muffler shop. We are lit with this new build, guys. Let's get it. You know what it is, my boy Jerry is getting his work right now. Working on my man's car. Someone just pulled it in a Supra. Damn. Guys, we are back. We just finished at the muffler shop right now. About to make some quick pool video clips. This joint is loud as shit, as you guys see. Oh my god. God bless really well. So give us for the low. We're in the Z right now. We are about to get wild, fellas. But yeah, me. Let's get out of here real quick. Yeah, this is an inside clip. I don't really have any flybys or anything. Didn't do that. You can hear it now, the idle. Sorry, somebody called me, messed up my video. But yeah, you can hear the idle right now. Let me hit up Deers because he just got his too. This joint loud as shit, guys. Damn. And there's Darius. OC loud boys. But yeah, guys, about to get out of here. Trying to get the GPS set up back home. Might cut out some of this just so I can get straight to the exhaust clips, but I will get flybys and stuff like that after this for the regular video. But for now, I'm just keeping it nice and chill, simple. Ready? It says make a right, right? All right. Woo! About to be sliding real quick, guys. Damn, this bitch is loud as shit. Oh, I hate this traffic. lost some traction there. It is raining currently right now, so oh shit, I lost Darius. Trying to see if he'll catch up. I kind of have an idea where I am. Come over here a lot, but not 100% sure. So y'all can hear that right there. It's around 2,000. Damn. Woo, sliding a little bit. Let me try this manual mode so I can hit some of them downshifts. But I love this car. Oh my gosh, 10 times more. You see some downshifts. Shit. This joint is loud as shit. Damn. Camera. Almost got caught by the camera, but golly, this joint loud as a bitch in manual mode. Holy shit, I love this car. Oh my god. Still can't find Darius. Don't know where he is. Tired of this rain. Y'all can hear that drone right there. It's not too bad. Honestly, I could get it louder, but everybody trying to pass me right now because they hear a loud fucking blue Z. So, fuck them. This joint loud as shit. Hear a little bit of backfire up in there. Oh my goodness. Yo, it's so loud, you can hear it vibrating against the window. Let everybody pass me since they want to go all fast. Some nice backfire. Oh my goodness. Hopefully the camera shows up good. It's kind of hard. I got an iPhone 7 Plus to kind of have a spot to hold the camera, but I put it somewhere. Jeez. Might keep it in manual mode. I'm burning all types of gas. I don't really care. This was meant to happen. When you get a Z and when you make it louder, you will burn gas like crazy. I should have made that right though. I could have pulled him over there versus going through the neighborhoods. But yeah. Oh, it's wet and wild out here right now. It's raining like shit. Godly. I know y'all hear that. It's vibrating against the damn glass. Nothing beats that. Don't know where Darius is. He's meeting me at the house. I guess I'll keep driving, showing y'all the exhaust. Don't want to talk too much, so got people looking at me. You know, dude right next to me looking at me because he know this bitch is loud as shit. Oh, all right. Thank you so much, sir. bit. I am gonna do another pull. I'm on a road where it's fairly empty, so I will get a nice pull in. Big Blue Z. I don't even have my GPS open to see if cops are, but YOLO. And now it gets all quiet around 4th gear. I think that's a Fed above me though, up ahead, I don't know. Don't want to be too wild and then get pulled over. Yeah, that's a Fed up there. Yeah, so no pull. Just some more sound clips. You can hear it backfiring a little bit. Oh man. Woo. I want to pull, but there's a Fed, man. And he's waiting for me too. Before I get too close to him and he pulled me over. Damn, and they blessed, guys. It was supposed to be $160. It is $140. I'm gonna insert the shop. If you're in Maryland, Coachella Muffler shop is the place to go. I was gonna get the titanium tips or exhaust tips. He was gonna bless me for $50 for each, so that will come in later on for sure, because those joints are nasty. But for right now, this muffler delete is amazing. This is just day one. Fresh new piping. Imagine after a couple weeks. But the Z is here. I know I'm kind of missing out the new reveal video. I'm still gonna be uploading it before this. So if you see this, this is after we reveal, but I'm kind of getting my prep for H2I ahead of time before it gets too late, you know what I mean? Breaking necks like crazy. It was breaking necks before, but wait till I get that Sorry About Your Neck sticker. We about to break hella necks. So I found a nice little spot on the, if you drive a 370Z, it has 3 gauges in the front. So that's what I'm holding right now. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so it doesn't fit on the air vents. So this spot is pretty good for right now. It's holding. So if I ever am gonna take a video, I'm gonna try to keep it like this. The only problem is when you drive really fast, that shit does swing like crazy. This joint is flying all over the place. So hopefully it will hold. You know, might try to get something different, you know, a different type of mount to hold on the front. But guys, this is the muffler delete. I did show Darius his. I might add it to this, or I might make his a separate video so you guys can kind of hear his Nissan Alta muffler delete. But I might add it into here just as a bonus. That's my boy. We are ready for H2O. Car's loud as shit right now. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Your dream come true, turn into reality. So I'm about to pull right here. Woo. This 0 to 60 is fast as shit. Y'all don't understand. I love this car. Gotta love life. This is the key to happiness right here, man. When you accomplish your goals every day, this is it, guys. But I'm about to turn in. I might add another rev clip. Remember, check out Coachella Muffler Shop. Best muffler shop in Maryland. It's in Rockville, Maryland. I know y'all hear them backfires. Woo, woo, woo. One last pull before I get in. I can't wait to get a cold start in the morning. Oh man, I know for a fact this joint about to be loud as shit. Oh, look at Darius. How'd he get here before me? Bitch. Look at him. He ugly as shit. Ooh, his joints sound nasty. His tips are crazy. So he made his tips stick out also a little bit. I was going to, but I like the clean finish. You know, it's not too much out. It's not too little, so. Slipping and sliding in this damn rain. Oh my God. Yo. And we're at the house now. Alright guys, it's been a pleasure. More videos, your boy Mighty Well signing out. Alright, my boy about to go home now. He leaving out. Oh, he on the wrong side. He's gone. Damage done today. Darius's mufflers and mine. Fart cannon. Yeah. It's the end of the video, guys. Ready for H2O. We're officially out now.